students, myself Neha Quatra from MASD Public School. I welcome you all to the gardening activity of the summer camp 2020. I hope you all are safe at your home. Some of you might be having gardening as your hobby. Gardening gives real joy and satisfaction of the heart and mind, and it also brings us close to the nature. Today I will guide you how to grow a plant. Okay, enjoy the activity. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to decide whether you want to grow a medicinal plant, you want to grow a vegetable, or you want to grow any herb. You have to decide. Second is the location or the spot where you have to plant. That is, you will be growing a plant where there is, that is, sunlight will be there for completely 6 to 7 hours, because sunlight is very important for the growth of plants. You have also studied earlier. Now what you have to do, you have to take a pot. This pot you can bring it from the market. You can take any waste bottle like this plastic bottle. You can take the bottle, cut it with the help of any knife or a scissor, then leave it vertically and horizontally, keep the soil inside, and then you can plant a tree inside or bring the pot from the market. You can take soil from the nursery or nearby any garden. Put the soil inside this pot, like I have taken soil. This is soil which I have kept it in the pot. Okay students. Now you have to dig the soil. This is tilling or digging of the soil with the help of this instrument. Generally you might be having this instrument at your home. Tilling and digging of the soil will be helping the movement of air inside the soil, as well as there will be deep penetration of roots inside the soil. Now you have to prepare your soil, or you have to add the quality of your soil by adding manure. This is a manure which we have prepared at our home. You can also prepare it. There are 3 things which we have mixed. Number 1, used tea leaves. Every day at your home tea is prepared. No need to throw the waste tea leaves. Add it inside this. Take ash, राख जिसको आप बोलते हैं, and then cow dung manure. Mix it properly. Now I am taking this manure which I have prepared in this pot, small pot, adding it like this. We are adding the manure, keeping it aside, then mix it properly with the help of this instrument again properly, so that it is mixed thoroughly. Fine, this step is clear. Next, today we are growing tulsi plant, basil or tulsi plant, having innumerous medicinal value. There are 2 ways to plant. Number 1, you can put the seeds, like I have taken the tulsi seeds. Okay, see, you can put it like this. After that you have to mix the soil again, so that they should be sown at proper depth and at proper distance, which is very, very important. Second thing, you can bring the seedling, like this seedling from the nursery, and you can transplant it here directly in the soil which we have prepared by improving the quality. Now the step which should not be forgotten is the addition of water. Water is very important for the growth. Like we require water, plants are also living, they also require water. Now in summer season, watering is very important. Plants require time to time watering. Okay, so don't forget them to give water. Now your this everything is ready. After giving water and after leaving it for 15 to 20 days, you will be getting the small tulsi plant like this. Means it will be growing, the seedling would be grown after completing the procedure. Now I request you to just grow any plant and by videography send it to your class in charge, so that you will be having the practicing of growing the plants. Now we have grown tulsi plants. Students, do you know the benefits of tulsi? Okay, I'll be sharing with you the benefits of tulsi. Tulsi plant, it helps in boosting the immunity. Nowadays we are all fighting against this deadly disease COVID-19, we are staying at home, not able to come out because it is a deadly virus. Now in order to strengthen the immunity, we can use this medicinal plant, which is tulsi. We can prepare the kadha of this by boiling some of the leaves in water, and then you can take that, or directly you can that have the leaves, 5 to 7 leaves of this tulsi, use them daily to boost up your immunity. Thank you and have a nice day.